Ebo masiriki o masiribo. Ebo masiriki rogadiri betua. Ebo masiriki. Ebo masiriki. Ebo masiriki rogadiri betua. Ebo masiriki o masiribo. Ebo masiriki no gadiri metua. Ebo masiriki. Ebo masiriki. Ebo masiriki no gadiri metua. Ebo masiriki o masiribo. Ebo masiriki no gadiri metua. Ebo masiriki. Ebo masiriki no gadiri metua. Ebo masiriki. Ebo masiriki.
Stop crying. Oh? Come on. Stop crying. Listen to me. I lost my own parents when I was about your age. And I know it is not easy. Huh? But I also know time heals all wounds, you know. I know your heart still bleeds. But you are not doing yourself well if you have to cry whenever you find yourself alone. Eh? Please come. Oh, Richard. Come.
It depends on the type of wound you're talking about. As long as I remain in this village, everything I see will always remind me of my parents.
I don't know anybody anywhere. Otherwise, I would have taken you there.
What of my uncle Uzechi? Can't I stay with him? Can't I stay with him in the city? I heard he's going back to the city tomorrow.
Your uncle Uzechi can hardly take care of himself. And because of his obsession with alcohol and cigarettes, he cannot even take care of a cat.
Auntie, I don't mind. I don't care how I fare in his hands. All I want is to leave this village. Nothing in this village matters to me anymore.
Stop crying. Eh? Stop crying. I'll discuss that with him, okay? Come, let's go. Huh?
Isn't it? Yeah. I can't. I don't think I can. You know, because how am I going to take care of her?
I cannot afford her school fees. Huh? I haven't told her. And I don't even know how to.
Oh, isn't it? Oh, so I now have her school fees too to take care of. Isn't it?
God, whose will it is for you to shoulder this responsibility, will see you through.
Isn't it? Mm-hmm. You know your problem. Mm-mm. Your problem is that you always twist reality with the Bible. What is not there, it is not there. I don't even have a reliable source of income. And I live in one room.
It doesn't matter. This child will be better off with you in the city, than here with me. Because anything she sees and everybody she meets reminds her of her late parents. Moreover, you're only helping an orphan. Please.
Each and a mad will. So how are you?
Thank you.
Uzo.
Yes, sir.
I have been thinking about your proposal to accept the young girl with you as my house help. But the problem is, if my wife will approve of it.
Oga, Blessing is a very nice girl. Madame will like her at first sight. Bam!
Well, I hope so.
That is totally unacceptable. Totally unacceptable. No house help will set foot into this house.
That's not the point, Becky. I'm just doing it to help out my chief driver.
Chief driver, my foot. You think you can go out there, arrange with your crafty colleagues to bring a concubine into my house, and you expect me to say yes? You must be out of your mind.
Watch your tongue! Listen, Becky, that girl needs help. She lost her parents and needs a good family like ours to grow up with. Can't you understand?
Well, David, not my own family, exactly.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon. What can I do for you? I don't remember giving you any appointment.
I had an appointment with Oga.
Ah, Mr. Uzochi.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Fine, sir.
I have been expecting you. Is this the girl you've been telling me about?
Yes, Blessing.
Good afternoon, sir.
Blessing. I see. Please do sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Becky, this is Blessing, our new house help. And Blessing.
Sir.
That's Madame.
I hope no problem, sir.
Oh, not at all. You know, women are how strict they can be over discipline regarding house help.
Oga, that is exactly what Blessing needs. I promise you and your family, you'll be very impressed with that.
Junior. Yeah. You have to take Blessing to the boys' quarters, okay? Huh? And Mr. Zochi, please, I have to go out in a moment. So let me change. Huh?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Please come this.
Blessing. Mr. David is a very nice man. And you'll be very happy here. That I can assure you. Just be a good girl. Now go.
Thank you, Uncle.
Go.
What is all this nonsense?
I don't understand, Ma.
You don't what? You don't what? What's all this thing still doing here? Why haven't you done the laundry?
Our tap is not rushing, Ma, so I have to go to the end of the street to fetch.
Oh, you have to go like eh? The tap is not what? And you left all these things and forgot to do the laundry? Huh? You went to Jericho to go and fetch the water, isn't it?
Ma, the distance is far. And I've almost filled it.
Come on, shut up your mouth. You disgust me. Huh? You're mannerless. You're a pig. Listen, I gave you less than 1 hour to finish up everything. Else, I will throw you back to the gutter you came from. Do you understand? Oh. Come on. And what are you still waiting for? What is that you're doing?
My food, Ma. I've not eaten since morning.
Your what? You want to eat my food when you've done nothing but to fetch water all day. Idiot. Come on, stand up from there. Nonsense.
Ebo masirigi nagadiri metua. Ebo masirigi nagadiri metua. Ebo masiriki no masirimo. Ebo masiriki no kadiri metua. Ebo masiriki. Ebo masiriki. Ebo masiriki no kadiri metua. Ebo masiriki no masirimo. Ebo masiriki no kadiri metua. Ebo masiriki. Ebo masiriki. Ebo masiriki no kadiri metua.
Junior, eat though. You must finish that food, huh? I know you like eating rice a lot. Let me give you more meat. Start eating. You must finish that food though.
Yes, Dad.
Eat, huh?
Junior, where are you going to? I want to feed my dog.
This Junior and dog self. He likes dogs.
Junior, hurry up so that I come and finish your food. Yes, have this.
Why did you bring it for me?
I brought them for you. I haven't eaten since morning. I have a lot of questions.
Thank you. See, you must get back into the house immediately because your mommy won't like it if she sees you here, okay?
Don't worry, I'll bring more for you.
That reminds me, where is Blessing?
I guess she's in the kitchen eating her food.
Hey, but why, Becky? Why?
Why what? Why what?
Now listen, Becky. The mere fact that that girl Blessing is a house help does not make her a lesser human being. I don't like it while we are here eating happily together.
What is it? What is it? Eh? Am I the one that took her family away? So stop putting blames on me.
Blessing.
Let the blessings are the Basia.
Doing what?
She's washing clothes.
Washing what? Becky, since morning. Huh?
What other work do house girls do? Eh?
No. Blessing. Blessing. How long have you been here?
Since morning, sir.
Leave these ones and go inside.
No, sir, no. Madam will beat me if I leave. I must finish what I'm
Don't worry. She will not do anything to you again, eh? I am now around. Go inside.
No, sir. If you leave for work tomorrow morning, she will beat me, sir.
Don't worry. Go inside. She won't do anything to you. Go inside!
Blessing, please, take good care of Junior.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me rush out. I'll soon be back. Don't leave him alone at home. Make sure you're here with him, okay?
Yes, sir. key to your life. He holds the key to your life. He holds the key to your life. When sickness and trouble seems to steal your soul away, He holds the key to your life. Junior. Junior. Junior, come on, have your food.
I'm not hungry.
What do you mean?
I'll eat later.
No, come and eat now.
Oh, I'll eat later. I'm watching television. I'll eat later.
Just come and eat. Okay.
Junior, how are you, my baby? How are you? What are you doing? I'm watching television. Okay, let me go have some.
Welcome.
Oh. What are you doing on the dining table?
I'm eating my dinner, ma.
You're having your dinner?
Yes, ma.
On my dining table. So why is my son not eating?
He said he will eat later.
He said what?
He will eat later, ma.
He said what? He will eat later. So, you have the guts to starve my own child of my own food in my house while you feed yourself on my dining table? Huh?
No, ma. But he said
He said what? Are you stupid? He said what? Say it! Say it! He said what? He said, yes, he said you should come to my house and eat my food to grow fat. Huh? Now, get out of my sight. Out! I said out! And where do you think you're going to?
to the guest room now.
Guest room. Now listen. Listen very carefully. That guest room is meant for our family's special guest. And as far as you and I know, you are not on the list. So pack your belongings out of that room and move into the kitchen. Do you understand me?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand me?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh yeah, get out. Idiot. Junior.
Mommy, why did you beat Blessing?
Listen. That girl, she's very, very stubborn. So, what do you want to eat?
Meat.
Are you sure? Mommy is talking to you. Do you want meat pie? Come on. Okay, what about ice cream?
No.
Come on, don't be a naughty boy. You don't want anything? Talk to me.
Yes.
Okay. Let me go up and change, okay? I'll come and join you soon, eh? Okay?
Can you cry for what mom did to you?
No.
Then why are you crying?
I'm crying because of my own parents.
You mean you have your own mom and dad?
Yes.
Why not go to them?
They are both dead.
How?
It's a long story. Okay?
Junior!
Yes, mommy.
And what are you still waiting for? What is that you're doing?
My food, ma. I've not eaten since.
Your what? You want to eat my food when you've done nothing but to fetch water all day. Idiot. Come on, stand up from there. Nonsense.
When I think I cannot make it again, my heart is failing me. All my hope is gone. Nobody cares. I will talk it over with the Lord. I know, yes I know, He will listen.
You said you will not pay me, eh? You said you will not pay me.
Again, I will not pay you that money. In fact, I am not owing you.
Oh, Okoya, I have found that. Oh, Bona, leave me.
No, please.
Leave me, let me use this debt and deal with this man.
Leave him. Why are you holding him as if it's a dangerous masquerade?
Bona, leave me.
I don't blame you. Otherwise, you should be in the village.
Who's a moon?
Bushman.
Mama.
Come and take your money now. Idiot. Bushman.
Who's up?
Listen.
I'm still here waiting for you. I'm still here waiting for you.
You're waiting for the train that will kill you. Idiot. Come on, get out. Bless them.
Uncle, me, I don't want to stay in that house again.
You have to exercise patience, eh? Everything will be all right. Huh?
Uncle, I don't think it's possible. See, I sleep in the kitchen like a dog. I eat once a day, and the beating, that one is even the worst. Uncle, every day beating, slapping. Uncle, look at my face. I don't want to stay there again.
Blair. You have to endure, my dear. Eh? She will soon get tired, very soon.
Uncle, me, I'm living there, but if this continues, then I...
Then what? Then what? You expect everybody to be like your parents? Eh? Don't worry, eh? I will talk to my boss. If need be, I'll talk to Madam as well. Eh?
Uncle, I'll be going now. I have a lot of work to do at home. And if my madam comes back now, she'll start beating me again.
It's all right. It's okay, eh? Just go, eh? If you continue, just let me know, eh? Blair.
Hi, sweetie.
Honey, you're ready to leave, huh?
Yes, you will help me drop Junior at school. Okay. I'm already late.
Okay. Are you sure everything is intact?
Yes?
Including the dollars?
Yes, of course.
Are you sure? Let me see.
You look surprised. You think I have forgotten it? Can't forget such thing. That's it. That's the dollar. So you can see everything is in here. Take good care of the home.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Is anything the matter?
No, honey, no.
Are you sure nothing is bothering you? So do take care of the home.
Yes.
Junior.
Bye.
You didn't say bye-bye to that.
Bye-bye. Mommy, I'll be late to school.
Come on, shut up. Hey, Blessing! Blessing! Go and bring your bag.
My bag?
I said she can bring your bag.
Are you looking for something, ma?
Just pray I won't have to. Nonsense. Junior, let's go. I said, where's my ring?
I did not see any ring, ma.
Where's the ring I kept in this juice pocket?
I did not see any ring when I washed it.
You did not see my ring? Just last night, I kept my wedding ring in this juice pocket. And now you're telling me you did not see my ring. Huh? Okay, you will find my ring today.
Hey, Becky, please, Becky. It's all right. Hey, what's going on here?
This thief of a thing you brought here stole my wedding ring. And now she's telling me she did not see it. Just last night, I kept it in my jeans pocket. Ask her.
Honestly, sir, I did not see any rings.
You see, she's lying. She She has hidden it. Probably to sell it.
Blessing.
Ask her.
Tell me the truth. Did you see her ring when you washed her clothes?
No, sir. I did not see any ring.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Becky, why don't you search for this ring properly before concluding?
Concluding what? Look for it where? Where do you want me to look for it? Eh? When criminals end up in my home as house guests in disguise, you say I should look for it where? Where? You see, you better find my wedding ring. Yes, I will kill you in this house. I will kill you.
It's okay.
I will kill you. I will kill you in this house.
Please, not when I'm here.
Not when I'm here. I will kill her. Tell her to look for my wedding ring.
Becky!
Tell her to find my ring.
Becky!
God. If only my parents were still alive. If only Mommy was still alive. What kind of a suffering is this?
I am confused. I'm very confused.
Uncle, it is unbearable. Okay, since I stepped into that house, she doesn't want to hear anything about my going to school. All I do every day is to wash heap upon heap of clothes.
Blessing.
Uncle.
Blessing.
Uncle.
How many times did I call you?
2 times.
Are you sure you did not steal that ring? That is all I want to know.
Uncle, I did not. When my parents were alive, they had better rings and properties. I've never stolen for once. Is it because when my parents died, my aunties and other uncles took away everything they had?
Get up. Get up. Dry your tears, eh? It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry. You have to adjust to the new situation. Eh?
Uncle, me, I don't want to go back to the house again. I don't want to go back there.
There is one man I have to see. I'm sure he'll be able to do something for you. But if that fails, you will have to go back to the village.
Hey, Uncle, please now. Uncle, please don't take me back to the village now, Uncle, please. I don't want to go back there again, please.
Get up. Let me go and see the man. I will soon be back. Put your things in the wardrobe and take care of yourself. Come.
The only condition I will accept is 3,500 naira.
Hey, Mbano Ogajo, Mbano, I'm not the only bus driver in town.
If you can't guarantee it, then forget it. The engine is new, as well as the body. Take a look. This is a new bus.
Ogajo, now, come to think of it, by the time I will buy fuel, I will settle police, I will settle town council, I will even settle Agbo. Ogajo, you see that the only thing I can guarantee is 1,000 naira. Please now, please.
2,500 naira. Take it or leave it.
Hey, Ogajo, I beg. Okay, let me tell you the truth. Every bus driver in this town balances 2,000 naira. I am ready to give you 2,000, please.
2,000 naira.
2,000, please.
Let me think about it.
Ogajo. Yes. That's a girl I told you about. That's my niece, you know.
Your niece?
Yes, my niece.
Where is she?
Let me call her. Bleble. Ogajo,
Blessing. Bless, bless.
Yeah, please.
Case closed. She can come and stay with my family as our house help.
Oh God, thank you.
Don't mention. Don't mention. I will treat her as my own sister. In fact, when we finish, take her to my wife at the shop.
Hey, Ogajo, thank you very much.
About the boss. Just bring 2,000 naira. I just want to help.
Ogajo, thank you. Greet Ogajo.
Thank you, sir.
Here is the key.
Hey, Ogajo. Thank you very much.
Take very good care of it.
Okay, Ogajo, thank you. Come and say one boss. You can sit down. Go inside, sit down.
Blessing, you should dust these things now, eh? Look at those. Remember all I told you? This is Lagos. So you have to be very careful. And be very vigilant too. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure you can handle it?
Of course, ma'am.
Okay. I am going out now, but I'll soon be back, eh? So take care of the shop for me. It's my bag. How could I have forgotten? Thank you. So take care of the shop, eh?
Yes, ma'am. Bye-bye. Welcome.
Yeah.
Where is your madam?
Good afternoon, sir. She has gone out.
Listen.
Sir. Sir.
How much is this?
It's 200 naira, sir.
200 naira. Have you tested it before? Okay, you can have it.
Sir?
Don't worry, I'll pay for it. You can have it.
Thank you, sir.
You see, I promised you that I will take very good care of you. As far as I'm concerned, you're going to be a very happy girl here.
Sir? No, sir. If madam finds out, sir.
Madam, there is no madam, it's just you and I here.
No, sir. No, sir. Don't leave me now.
Who's here? Blessing!
Auntie.
Who are you with inside?
Madam Maureen.
Ogana, you?
Yes.
Good afternoon.
I came to take stops.
Oh, really? How the business now?
Business is fine. Send me hi to your husband.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Please, I don't want to, I can't. Please, please, sir, please.
Yes?
Geoffrey! Yes? What's going on? I heard someone shouting.
I heard voices and decided to come and find out what's going on. Only to realize it's Blessing having nightmares about her dead parents.
Scale and our problems again.
You're a heavy sleeper. I tried to wake you up, but you were far gone.
Honey, what do you expect? After all I went through at the warehouse today, of course I'm tired now. Please, let's go to bed, Jerry. But this girl and this a nightmare every time. She needs to go for deliverance.
God. What kind of life is this? If I go back to my uncle, he will send me back to the village. And if I allow my Oga to sleep with me, Madam will find out and send me away. Oh, God. If only my parents were still alive.
How much you did it?
130.
130. Choose anyone you want.
Please.
Yes. How much?
It's 150.
150. You send like it?
Yes.
Now let's go.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Blessing.
Sir.
Come now, huh? closer. Come. Are you running away from me now?
No, sir. But, sir, you know this is not good now.
Come on, don't be a fool. Eh? How far do you think you can go? Look, I am prepared to send you to school.
Please, sir, do that, sir, and God will bless you.
But you need to bless me first. Just one night. Just one night, please. Just one night.
Stanley.
Who's around? Blessing!
Auntie.
You two dey inside shop, leaving the whole of this place like this. Oga, now you again? It be like say you won't change the whole of this place. As you they come here every day, they check stuff.
You know, I have to be in touch with the progress of the shop, you know. Have a nice day.
Okay. Bye-bye. Yeah, bless it. Where are the things your madam say you should give for me? Okay, greet her for me when she comes. Yes, bye-bye. Are those the only drinks we have left in the supermarket? Yes, ma'am. You mean there's none in the store?
Yes, ma'am.
But it's not done like that. Why didn't you tell me? Let me see your sales book.
I said I was going to tell you when you come today.
But until my shop gets empty before you tell me. You don't do things like that now, eh? My baby. Maureen. Come now. How's life with you?
We're fine, though.
Long time no see.
How can you see me when you don't stay in your shop? I come here almost every day, but it's only your sales girl and your husband that I see.
Anyway, you won't blame me. You know this my supply job takes me out every day.
Okay, I can understand.
And you, what are you still doing here now? You want to listen to Senior G's? My friend, would you fall out? Can I get you something to drink?
No,
come on, sit down now.
Don't worry, my dear sister, don't worry.
So how's the family now?
We are managing, my sister. Amaka, I see your husband every day whenever I come here. Looks like you want to renovate this place.
Oh God. Maurice, you left your house. Come on. Abuse me in my small shop.
Abuse what?
What is there to renovate?
It's growing. Can't you see he's growing?
Give not the glory, but renovation from where now? Come and patronize me.
Okay, what do you have now? What do I come and say? That's a good look. Let's...
What is going on here? Has it become a crime to be a good Samaritan? Huh? Where is this useless red? Blessing! Blessing! Shoot, come on, mix me here too. Blessing!
Honey, what's the problem? Your voice is too loud.
Why won't it be loud, honey? Honey, take a look at this. Just look at this. Eh? Goods keep disappearing from my shop and I cannot even explain. I don't understand it and you're telling me I'm shouting. Blessing!
Yes, ma'am.
She will see me. I'm in trouble today.
This is unbelievable.
Blessing.
Ma?
Blessing.
Ma?
Blessing, how many times have I called you?
2 times, ma.
What is happening at my shop?
I don't understand, ma.
You don't understand what? That goods continuously disappear from my shop and you're telling me you don't understand?
But, ma, I'm very sure that
I am telling you that my shop is going down and you're telling me but. Blessing, what have you done with my money?
I swear, ma, I don't have an idea of what...
Time with that number, I have received complaints that she harbors boys, all sorts of boys in that shop.
Jesus,
Jesus! What, Jesus? Oh! This is how you decide to pay me back. For being nice to you. I'm Blessing.
Please, ma. I I swear, I've never ever...
Will you shut up? Or are you now saying that my husband is lying? Or will your dead mother in her grave trust you with the way I trusted you by shop? You must leave my house now.
Ma, please now. Please, ma. Don't throw me out, ma, please. Please. I have no other place to go to.
Oh. You know you don't have anywhere to go to, but you went on a vandalizing spree with your boyfriends to ruin down my shop. Blessing, get out of my house. Hey. This minute!
Hey.
Nonsense. Useless child.
Please, help me. Don't let her throw me out now, please.
One good turn deserves another. You did me none, and you deserve none.
Exactly.
Get out.
Now.
Get out.
Blessing. Out.
Auntie, please.
On the count of 3. Blessing. 1.
Auntie,
Blessing. 2. I feel sorry for the soul of your mother, crying in her grave for your shameful behavior. And you still standing there.
My mother's soul waits for me in her grave. But only God knows why.
Out of my house, you piece of shit. Out. Go and steal elsewhere. Honey, can you imagine?
What will I do when the world seems to be against me? Who will I run to? Who will I depend on when my world seems to be crumbling? Oh God, please help me. Oh God, please help me. Oh God, please help me. Oh God. Say, where will I go? What will I do when this?
Baby, what are you doing by this time of the night?
Uncle, they threw me out.
Hey! What is that supposed to mean? What happened?
Uncle, they accused me of stealing.
Hey!
But Uncle, believe me. Believe me, honestly, I did not.
Blessing, don't they feed you?
They do, but...
But what? Do you have to go and steal from them, Blessing? Why?
Uncle,
oh,
no.
God.
Honestly, Uncle.
Hey!
Believe me.
Oh, God. Do you expect me to believe you?
Uncle, I did.
They threw you out of David's house. What allegation? Stealing. You ran away from Geoffrey's house. What allegation? Stealing. Blessing.
Uncle, believe me, I did not. I did not steal from them. Uncle, please.
Hey, Ezinde, I blame you. I blame you. Hey.
I wake up. Who's this, sir? 1 star. What's out?
You seem lonely, my sweetheart.
Who invited you here? Eh? Who invited you? My friend, get out! Get out! I said get out! I said get out!
What is it? Eh? What is the matter with you? Or have you lost your job again?
I'm about to. A girl I'm trying to help is about to disgrace me.
You also help somebody. Who is the girl?
She's my niece that is staying with me. Blessing.
Hey, yeah. That nice girl. And I really liked her the first time I saw her. What happened?
Rankufo, is a long story, but I shall cut it short. They sent her packing from where I got her a job as a house help.
Hey, that nice-looking girl. Maybe I can help.
Rankufo, you said you can help. That means you can employ her.
Yes,
as
now.
a waitress here.
What are we talking about?
Koforisi Kofo.
Kofo. Another Kofo is a counterfeit.
You said that bring me another beer.
But also, provided she's hard working.
Kofo, she is. She is.
No problem, I'll give you.
Let her bring me another beer.
Mary Ann!
I shall do
Mary
it.
Ann! Yes, auntie. Here. Give Uzo another bottle. Remember to collect my money from those people. Did you hear me?
Yes, auntie. Quick. Kofo. Blah. Go and get me water to wash hand, eh? Blah. Blessing. There is something I want both of us to talk about. I made arrangement with a friend of mine yesterday for you to work in our restaurant.
Thank you, Uncle. Thank you very much.
But I want you to promise me that no matter what, you will stay with that woman.
Uncle, I promise.
Good. I also want you to promise me that you will not touch her thing or get into her bad book.
But Uncle, I'm not the thief.
No, I did not say you're a thief. I am only saying that should anything happen and you're sent away again, you will go back to the village.
Uncle, I promise I will do my best to stay with her. I promise.
Okay. It is all right.
Thank you, Uncle. Thank you.
Now go and wash those plates.
Yes.
Honorable.
Madam Kofo herself.
How is the office?
We thank God.
I hope everything is
We are getting ourselves. Kofo.
Now. How are you? Hope you are enjoying yourself. Take care. How are you? How is your daddy? I hope there is nothing because I have not seen him for some time.
Oh, madam, I don't know how to explain it well. He's on his sick bed.
Yeah.
But no problem.
Please greet him for me, yeah? Don't worry, he'll be okay. No problem. Long time no see. Eh? This one that we have not been seeing you for some time. I hope there is no problem. What is the problem? Only that one. Don't worry.
so.
Go. Honorable. Okay. Honorable.
Come on, sir. Go.
Anong orang ko na ito, ano? Yan. Bang, oh, bless it. What do you mean by no? Eh?
Madam,
Forget that one. All I am asking you to do is to just go and know him. Am I not your madam again? Don't you want to work in my restaurant again?
I want to.
Just go and see him and know where he lives. That's all. Nothing more. Bless him. Go now. Auntie, bless him. I said go. Don't worry.
Blame, mom. Bleh. Bleh.
Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come. Come. Are you all right? Okay, sit down. Come.
Wait.
What is it?
Can I change into your towel?
Okay, towel. That's no problem. Towel. Where are you? Where's this girl?
Tina, come.
Thank you, my brother. That's why I like you.
This is your person, yeah? Super. It's not like yesterday's one.
So you like it?
Very well.
Beautiful, no problem. Okay now. Enjoy yourself.
Kofolico. 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 Tomorrow we will let her go.
Okay now.
Oh, voila.
She's not running. Oh.
Trust me now.
Go travel.
Bye bye. Oh, the honorable. I was almost saying that I would just come and go see you so that.
Honorable me. Nonsense. Total nonsense. Listen, I didn't know you have chosen to become a fraudster and a cheat.
Honorable, what brought about this sort of...
Talk my ass. This time around, talk my ass. Listen up. Kofo, I want my money back right now. And one more thing, I'll make sure that none of my friends come here again.
Why are you behaving like this? Calm down and explain to me what happened.
What do you want me to explain to you? That I gave you 5,000 naira for the service of one of your girls last night?
Blessing.
Blessing to who? Blessing to who? Yesterday night, I went into my bedroom. Before I knew it, the young lady made her way through my back door.
What?
Blessing indeed. I want that money now.
Honorable, come. Why are you behaving like this? It's me, Madam Kofo now. Don't worry. Calm down.
Maggie. Yes, Auntie. Okay.
Honorable. Maggie will go home with you, free of charge.
Kofo, let's take Kofo.
Honorable.
I hope you understand.
I do.
Listen, I was only trying to be myself.
It's okay.
You
I'm
understand.
sorry too. I understand.
Maggie.
Okay now. See you.
See you tomorrow.
Okay. Honorable.
How can I dress like this and go out there now? Can't you see I'm almost naked?
Blessing, you make more money naked than when you're dressed like a choir singer. Eh?
Blessing, what did you do last night? Answer me. I said, what sort of game did you play last night?
Auntie, what happened?
This stupid girl saw me in front of the customer that paid for her yesterday. She ran out on him. What?
I'm sorry, ma. I have never...
Listen. You don't expect me to pay you from the bottles of beer that you sell. We have a policy here. I know that you will improve by the day. But then, if you ever try that again, if you ever try what you just did again, I'll make sure I change your skin color before I throw you out. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Now go out there and make me happy. I said, go out there and make me happy. Go!
Auntie, so what happened to the man that you collected money from?
What do? I gave him Maggie free of charge. What will I use this money to do now? I don't know. You tell me. It's all yours. Look, if you relax, you'll be getting this kind of money every night. Come. And some of my friends are having a party tonight. And they would like you and the other girls to attend.
But my...
Don't worry. I will be there myself. They just want you to go with them to their house. I will come later with the other girls.
Oh. I really want to enjoy you tonight. Oh.
Wait, now, can't we talk first? Can't we talk first?
Wait for what?
Maybe get to know each other, please, now.
Excuse me.
Wait now.
Wait for what?
I need to rest for a while.
Rest? Excuse me. Easy, take it easy. I pay for this. Damn it! What's going on here? She beat me. She beat me. What? She beat me. God, hey. Damn it. Why now? Go. Damn it! Damn, wanted to give me back my money. Oh, okay. Are you calm? Damn, man, I want my money back. First into my money. Do you hear me? Damn it, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. She bite me. Shut up. Little boy, you are a fucking loser. Baby, let's continue from where we stopped. I will see you later, eh? Fool.
Where will I go? What will
I am only saying that should anything happen and you're sent away again, you will go back to the village.
You don't expect me to pay you from the bottles of beer that you sell. We have a policy here. If you ever try what you just did again, I'll make sure I change your skin color before I throw you out.
Say, where will I go? What will I do? When this one seems to be against me, who will I run to? Who will I depend on? When my one seems...
Please forgive me. I couldn't do it. My mind couldn't allow me to do it, ma. Please.
But your mind can allow you to collect my money, isn't it?
I'll give you everything, ma. I'll give you all the money.
You will give me back. What will you give me back? Is it all my customers that you've driven away? Because there's words are going around town, that I collect money and I don't deliver.
Please.
Thanks to you. Is that what you give to me back?
Auntie.
Good. You know I told you before. I told you that I will change the color of your skin when next you misbehave. And now it has gotten to that point.
Linda,
Thank God, shut up!
Janet, please, Janet.
Excuse me.
Shh. Madam, please. No, madam, please.
Answer me!
Madam, please. Auntie, please. Auntie, please.
Answer me!
Please,
Good.
Hey!
Now, it's even good that your
Auntie,
phone is
please
red
now.
already. So this one will help you. It will
Hey,
set your
Auntie.
nerves. Hold that for me.
Madam, please now.
Carry the idiot outside.
These people are so funny. Oh, God. Junior! 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 Hey, hey, Junior! Junior! No. Hey, David! 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 Junior! Hey, Junior! David! Yes, Junior! Yes, go and bring the pancake oil. It's inside the wardrobe.
Inside?
Yes, inside the wardrobe. Hurry up. Hey, Junior, please. Junior. Oh, Junior, don't do this to me. Oh. Junior, don't do this to me. Please, Junior. David, hurry up.
Why are you like this?
Gloria, do you know my son? My son almost died last night.
Jesus.
Yes.
But I thought he has been healed after spending 2 months in the hospital some time ago.
I don't know what to do. I don't just know what else to do.
Vicky, where is thy faith? Where is your belief in God?
Vinay, if the life of my only son should be an object of faith, just look at what we went through last year because of the same illness.
Listen, I still believe that your son still have chance in life. Only if you can be prayerful. Pray without ceasing. Let us pray. In the name of Jesus.
Amen.
The mighty name of Jesus.
Amen.
Father, I thank you for this family. God, I thank you for this family. God, I ask you that you be with them. God, heal them because you are the healer. Auntie, I need only 20 naira food.
Sorry, our food is 100 naira.
Without meat is how much?
We don't sell that kind of food. The plate is 100 naira.
Auntie, please. Please, Auntie, all I have is 20 naira. Please, can you just give me half plates or extra? I'm very, very hungry. Please.
Look, I'm very, very busy. Our food is 100 naira a plate. If you don't mind.
Auntie, please now. Auntie, please.
I beg you.
Excuse me? Why are you leaving when they are bringing your food?
I beg your pardon.
They are bringing food for you.
No, it's not me. There must be a mistake.
No, I asked them to give you food. I understand you don't have enough on you, so I decided to help.
Thank you, I'll be alright.
Oh, come on, don't be a child. Come and eat. Huh? I'll take care of the bills, okay? Come on. Madam Emily, bring the food. Water to wash hand, please.
Such a nice place you have here.
Well, just managing. Sit down, make yourself comfortable.
Thank you. Are you living alone?
Yes. Come on. Come, baby. Come on. Come on.
Wait.
What?
Is this what you want from me?
What else could a man want? God bless him. You don't know what I will do for you. If only you will allow me, go to bed with me.
What did you just say? Over my dead body.
Okay. So you expect me to do everything for you, and at the end of the day, no appreciation. Sorry, girl. I am Amos, not Aaron.
All right. In that case, you want me to leave?
The choice is yours. Out there in the streets, or here at home with me, where you have everything you need.
Where is your bathroom?
Over there.
Can I use it?
Sure. Listen. I promise you will not regret anything you do with me.
Madam, please. Auntie, please. Auntie, please. Please. Auntie. Hey!
Now,
Auntie!
it's even good that you're
Auntie,
bread
now.
So this one will help you.
Auntie.
Hold that for me.
Madam, please now. Madam will find out that.
Madam is sleeping. She's asleep. Come to me.
No, sir, please. I don't want to. I can't. Please. Please. Please, sir, please. Oh, God. The temptation is above me. I've tried to hold on to my faith. But it's like my faith is mocking me. I have no hope. No friends. Twice I was humiliated. Accused of stealing. And thrown out. But God, you know I'm innocent. I cannot go back to my uncle now because he would throw me out. I almost became a prostitute. I was bound on my stomach. God. I was once a loved and an intelligent girl with a bright future. To prove my fear and respect for you, God, I've remained a virgin up to this moment. Every man that wanted to help me, wanted to sleep with me. I've walked the streets and slept in the dark. Even Amos that I thought was God said is asking the same from me. God, if this is what you planned for me, then so be it. I'm ready.
Blessing, get dressed. I don't want to do anything with you again. Right now, I understand how you feel.
You don't understand. All you want is to take advantage of me. Nobody cares. Just do what you want to do.
I care for you, Blessing. Okay? I care for you. I overheard you. I had everything you said. You know, everything that happened to you from today will be a passing phase.
You're lying to me. Everybody lies against me. Just do what you want to do. Just do it.
Listen. I'll never touch and harm you. Everything will be okay, alright? I see you like a sister from today.
Yes, I'm coming.
Who are you? And how did you get in here?
Why are you asking? Are you looking for somebody?
Well, I happen to live here with my friend Amos. So, who are you? I mean, I've never seen you before.
Well, I'm like a sister to Amos. Amos never mentioned you to me. Welcome.
Neither did he mention you to me. I thought I knew all my fiance's family, having lived with him for 4 good years now. So tell me, which part of his family do you come from? The mother or the father's side?
Joy, when did you come in? I wasn't expecting you.
Neither was I expecting to see your new grown-up sister I've never met before.
You mean Blessing?
Yes, whatever her name is, who is she?
Actually, she's not my sister. It's a long story, but I'm only trying to help her.
Can I get something straight?
What?
I was only with just for 1 week. And you took the advantage of my absence to bring in another woman that lied to me that she's your sister? And now you're telling me it's a long story. Amos, for the last time, who is she?
Will you shut up, Joy, and let me explain things to you?
Explain what? You almost came here like 2 months ago. My old schoolmate was here to see me.
Joshua was your former boyfriend, and I don't want to see him here anymore.
Then who is this woman here? We both made the rules. And now you think you can play smart with me? I am not a fool. And I'm not ready to play a fool's role. She had better be gone by the time I walk into that room and come out. Or else!
Keep on my feet.
Thanks, Mom. What do you mean, thanks, Mom?
Mom, I'm okay.
Go ahead and eat your food, darling.
Mommy, look at my stomach now.
Don't you love Mommy anymore?
I love you.
Mommy loves you too. You eat your food. All right. You know what? Finish this food, and tomorrow I'll take you to the Tantalizer, and I'll buy you ice cream.
Wow.
For you, and I hope I'm not intruding into any of your programs.
No, Pastor. Actually, today is my free day. We will start the praise singing and revival with tomorrow afternoon.
You see, I must commend your dedication and strength of belief in the Lord. It's wonderful.
Thank you, Pastor. It's the Lord's doing.
Does it ever occur to you what you do and how you touch other people's lives?
I don't understand, Pastor.
Come up here. See, I just want to commend and encourage you. You have healed so many people. You have touched so many lives through prayers and singing. Most times, even I purposely pray and sing with you for spiritual reawakening.
We are all in the Lord's army, Pastor. We fight for a common cause. And along the battlefield, we need each other.
Very correct. That reminds me. Tomorrow, I want you to personally conduct the prayer singing.
Me?
Yes.
No, why me, Pastor?
Look, don't be like Jonah, or you end up in the belly of a fish. You see, God will put into your lips His words for His flocks. Okay? Now let's pray. In Jesus' name. In the mighty name.